Hey guys, welcome to an all-new segment called I Am Traveling. In this show, we're going to be exploring new places, checking out their art, learning about their culture and their history. You name it, we'll probably think of something. In this episode, we're going to Houston, Texas, to a college called William Rice University. I could just sit in front of this camera all day and tell you about it, but that'd be boring. So let's go!
We are in Houston. It is hot, about 90 degrees. Tonight we are headed to the Rice University. It's a research university. It's about 300 acres, just campus. They got this cool twilight pyramid that lights up that I want to check out. Fortunately though, you guys won't be able to see it because they won't let me use a camera there. But hopefully I get some videos of the historic campus. So let's go.
The William Marsh Rice University is a private research college in the heart of downtown Houston. It opened its doors on September 23, 1912, with just 77 students. This beautiful 300-acre campus now has a total of 3,989 undergraduates enrolled. The campus is also organized into 11 residential colleges and 8 schools of academic study. If that's too confusing, just think of it as the many houses in Harry Potter.
That has a tiny It's a real ticket. See what goes on. Should I take that out? Nah. Let's go take a save. Just get some exercise. I have no idea where that's coming from.
Yo, I don't know what that is, but it is so cool. I guess I could find out later, right? Shoot. Alright, I guess let's move on. See what else we can find, huh? That art piece was created by Ursula von Riedingsvard. It is a 7-foot sculpture, first carved from cedar and then cast in bronze. The name of it is Malutka II, which means little one in Polish. It is the first outdoor sculpture by a woman to be permanently displayed on the Rice campus.
Sun's getting real low. Let's get that reference. So this is him, William Marsh Rice. Look at that. What up, my dude?
William Marsh Rice chartered the Rice Institute for the Advancement of Literature, Science, and Art as a gift to the city of Houston, where he made his wealth. There was a term to the charter, which was the institute could only be worked on after Rice had died. On September 23, 1900, Rice was chloroformed to death by his valet, who had conspired with a dirty lawyer to murder Rice and claim his estate with a forged will. In Rice's autopsy, it showed evidence of poisoning.
I'm getting bit by so many mosquitoes today. My arms are ashy. I think it's emotion. This place got to be bigger, so let me find some more places to go. Twilight, that's that right there. Hopefully that's it. So 73. I am blind. You guys are probably gonna catch it before I do. Well, 78 is there. I saw 72, 74, every other 70 except for 73. So, guess I'm just gonna keep walking. Yeah? Oh, I gotta go get some bug spray. So many mosquitoes. There's worms everywhere.
As I was walking through the university, I came across this. Look at that, a Bud Light truck. These kids are going hard at the books and going hard on the kick. Check this place out. What are these? Let's go explore more. These granite monoliths were created by Michael Iser and overseen by Alice Pratt Brown in 1983. They each consist of 3 pink granite slabs, each weighing several tons, and are positioned at 3 basic degree measurements used in engineering. Each one of them are resting on a giant concrete plates designed by the artist. Imagine if Thanos had to carry these stones.
Every time I try to leave somewhere, something always catches my eye right before I go. Oh, I'm gonna show you.
This mural on the side of the Baker College wall was created by graffiti artist Daniel Aguilu. Rice University decided to do something different other than the statues of owls, important people, and science-related objects that already decorate the campus. Aguilu started by graffitiing on exterior walls and freight trains until his work grew popular enough and started getting paid commission for his work in Houston. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call it a night here at the Rice University. It's pretty fun. I mean, aside from all the mosquito bites, and now I'm all sweaty, so I'm gonna head back to the hotel and shower. And alright, see ya. We are back now, and I am ready to take a nap. I hope you guys learned a lot, because I know I did. If you guys had fun, please hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below. You know the deal. And I will see you on our next adventure. Ciao!